Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix contact poster not working issue after iOS 17 update. When your poster isn't showing up or does not appear when you call someone, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. Our step number 1 is check device capability. Make sure that the configuration is capable and properly configured for the both platforms is vital to allow contact poster to function seamlessly. And our step number 2 is force restart iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various software related issues. To force restart your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings, then go back and go to general, then simply tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If after doing this and you are still facing the contact paste or not working issue again and again, then try solution number 3. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings can help resolve problem caused by incorrect configuration without affecting your data. This action will reset all your device settings, but your data and media will remain intact. For doing this, first you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. If your issue is showing again and again, then wait for update. If none of the above solutions are working, then simply wait for next iOS 17 update. If not, then simply downgrade to iOS 16. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.